Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today I'm transforming this dining table into absolutely new this dining table using just the paint and nothing else. So here for this project I'm using Berger Luxor white color paint, and along with it I am having some few simple paint brushes. I almost used 1.5 tin of Berger Luxor paint, and just to make it a little thin, I am using linseed oil, and I used 2 bottles, almost a liter of linseed oil for this entire project, including 4 chairs and a dining table. So I'm using this in a ratio of 2:1, that is 2 part oil and 1 part paint for the first coat. And for the second and the third coat, I went ahead for 1:1 ratio. 1 part paint, 1 part oil. I should have filled these cracks and gaps with some wood putty or something like that, but I really didn't had it handy. I was doing this project during the lockdown period, and I wanted to finish this during this period itself so that I can enjoy the spring season that we have here in our city. So before I started this project, I gave this table a really good wash with warm soapy water to take out all the grind and dirt from the furniture as it was lying outside. And I started painting the first coat, and it wasn't looking as perfect I would have imagined it to be on the first go. I'll have to be very honest with you, but the idea was that this paint should be absorbed in the furniture wood. And after the second coat, once it was completely dry, it started taking the shape. And with the third coat, the results were really amazing. So I would just recommend that if you're painting without doing a primer, go ahead with a 2:1 ratio first. And this is how the finished look looks like, and I'm very happy with it. I can't wait to decorate this dining table, but for now I'm just keeping it like this. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram at Simply Amazing Life by Kaushiki. Thank you so much for watching our channel, and stay safe guys, and stay indoors. Keep washing your hands and take care of everyone around you as well. It is a time when we need each other the most, and thank you once again.